Kidz Digital! Let's meet some amazing domestic animals. Repeat after me! This is a dog. This is a cat. This is a cow. This is a buffalo. This is a goat. This is a sheep. This is a horse. This is a donkey. This is a mule. This is a pig. This is a rabbit. This is a hamster. This is a guinea pig. This is a rat. This is a mouse. This is a camel. This is a llama. This is an alpaca. This is a yak. This is a reindeer. This is an elephant. This is an ox. This is a pony. This is a bison. This is a ferret. Wow! We met 25 domestic animals today. They are our helpers, our friends, and an important part of our lives. Always remember to love and care for them. Learning is fun when we do it together. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for more exciting and educational videos.